How to change the background in Google Classroom. That's what we're going to do in today's video, but first make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have. And also make sure to watch our previous tutorials and videos. We have playlists sorted for each app. And let's first create a class to apply on it changing the background. Let's create a sample class. Continue. Let's rename it test class. Create. Now this is our test class, and if you want to change the background, you're gonna go and hover over the class and click on it, and click here on the pencil icon and customize, and you can choose to select a photo from the samples here. There are many genres for the photos. There are arts, sports, math and science, English and history. You can choose any background that you want. Let's choose this for example. Let's do this and the class theme, and you can also choose the theme color from here. You can also upload a photo from your own PC to be the Google Classroom background. And then after you finish your customization, click on save. Now our customizations are saved.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have. And have a nice day.